In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce file size in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever had a PDF that's too large to email or upload, this quick, reliable method will shrink it while keeping it looking great. Will work entirely in Adobe Acrobat Pro and keep things straightforward so you can get it done in minutes. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro. At the top left, click File, then choose Open. Navigate to the PDF you want to compress, select it, and open it. Give the document a moment to load so Acrobat can fully recognize the pages, images, and fonts. Starting from a properly open file helps ensure the compression runs smoothly. With your PDF open, head back to the File menu and select Reduce File Size. This command applies Acrobat's built-in smart compression, which trims unnecessary data and gently resamples images where it can do so without obvious quality loss. When the dialog appears asking about compatibility, choose Keep Existing. This is the recommended option because it preserves your document's current PDF version, helping ensure anyone you share it with can open it without issues. It also balances readability and size reduction, which is exactly what you want for quick compression. After confirming Keep Existing, click OK. Acrobat will process the file, and for most documents, this takes only a moment. Once the compression completes, you'll be prompted to save. Choose the folder where you want the smaller version to live. To protect your original, it's a good idea to save the reduced file with a new name, for example by adding .compressed to the end of the file name. Then click Save. Acrobat will create the new smaller PDF without altering your original document, which gives you a safe fallback if you ever want to revert. This method is best for quick compression with minimal quality loss. It's perfect for emailing, uploading to portals that have file size limits, or storing archives without using unnecessary space. Keep in mind that the amount of reduction you see varies. Image-heavy scans and presentations often shrink significantly, while PDFs that are already optimized may only reduce a little, and that's normal. Choosing Keep Existing Compatibility helps ensure your recipients, even those on older PDF viewers, can open the file. If you ever notice that a particular document doesn't compress as much as you hoped, remember that this is the fast, general-purpose option designed for quality and compatibility. For everyday use, it strikes the right balance, and that's all there is to it. You've reduced your PDF file size in just a few clicks, keeping it clear, shareable, and ready to go.